Best investment advice for 2026. If I could give only one piece of investment advice for 2026, it would be this. Stop looking for the next big thing and start investing consistently. Every year, people search for the perfect stock, the next Bitcoin, or a secret investment that will make them rich overnight. Most of the time, they end up losing money because they focus on getting rich quickly instead of building wealth slowly. The truth is that successful investing is usually boring. The wealthiest investors in the world understand a simple principle. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Instead of trying to predict every rise and fall, they invest regularly and allow compound growth to do the heavy lifting. In 2026, technology, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and digital assets will continue to create opportunities. But opportunities alone do not create wealth. Discipline creates wealth. Imagine two people. The first person spends years searching for the perfect investment but never takes action. The second person invests a small amount every month into quality assets and continues doing so year after year. 10 years later, the second person will likely be far ahead. The best investment strategy for most people is simple. First, build an emergency fund. Second, eliminate high-interest debt. Third, invest consistently in diversified assets such as broad market ETFs. Fourth, consider a small allocation to higher-risk investments like growth stocks or Bitcoin if they fit your risk tolerance. And finally, be patient. Many people underestimate what they can achieve in 10 years and overestimate what they can achieve in 10 weeks. Real wealth is not built through luck. It is built through consistency, discipline, and patience. Remember, investing is not about becoming rich tomorrow. It is about creating a future where money works for you instead of you working for money forever. The best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build wealth in 2026 and beyond.